Download MMG software program. This tutorial is for Android. Step 1. Please open your mobile phone browser separately. Enter the MMG official website. Demo video using Chrome browser. Step 2. After entering the MMG official website, click the left menu bar. Select Download. Step 3. Wait for the download to finish. Install MMG app. About logging into the game. First, you need to install the cryptocurrency wallet app. The wallet application in the demo video is Trust Wallet. Since the MMG project is based on the BSC chain, please create your BSC chain wallet address in advance. Step 1. At Cryptocurrency Wallet Dapps browser bar, enter the MMG official website. Step 2. After entering the MMG website, click Connect Wallet. Step 3. Take a screenshot to save your game login QR code. Please don't send your QR code to anyone. Step 4. Click Scan QR code to enter the game. This process requires another device. You need to use the scan code when logged in to enter the game. After entering the game, you will get an island of your own. The new island does not have any buildings. You need to build buildings to earn profits.
In the top left corner, you can see the user age,
account level and experience, etc. The top section,
you can see the balance of the fish coin,
red diamond balance, sea spirit stone balance, MMG token balance. Click on Extract to remit the MMG token you have earned. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. For more latest videos, please subscribe to the official MMG YouTube channel.